Hey everyone, it's Carmel at Science to Paradise, and today I'm going to show you how to thread your bobbin. This is a bobbin here. I have a plastic one. The machine I have is a Janome and the model I think is 7025, so that's if you want to know that anyway. Some machines also use plastic bobbins as well. Some of them also use metal bobbins and they may have lots of different holes in them like this. So my bobbin only has one hole, the other one isn't a hole, that's just one hole there if you can see it at the top, and also one at the bottom as well. So the first step that you need to do, I'm just going to put this down, is we're going to get your thread. It's already threaded on your machine here. My machine tells me to have my thread facing out this way, as you can see in the picture there. And the aim is now is to hook it round this little bobbin tension right here, little circle thing. It may look a little bit different on your machine, but whatever is here that you can put it around, this helps you to have the tension. Now this is important because when you are threading your bobbin, if the tension isn't tight, you're going to get a really loose bobbin, and then when you sew you may get some nesting. So I'm going to pick up my bobbin again, and our next step now is to get the end of your thread, and you're going to place it underneath the bobbin like this and through the hole, so it comes at the top like that. So I'm going to push it through, so it's through the top here like that, and I'm going to just place my bobbin down and push it to the right. Next step I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull out my hand dowel. Now some machines have this option where you can pull out the dowel that makes the needle go up and down, and that stops the needle going up and down when you are sewing your bobbin. Now if you don't have this, some machines also, once you've clicked your bobbin to the side like that, it will just automatically stop the needle going up and down. So I've got that pulled out, and I'm going to hold this taut. So I'm just going to make sure that this is enough coming out here, and I'm going to go and press the pedal now. So when I press it, I'm going to press it lightly just so it can start to wind. Once I've got it wound on a little bit, I'm going to trim the excess thread and then keep going. And I'm going to keep doing this until it is full. So I'm getting to the point now where my bobbin is nearly full. Once it's full, some machines may push your bobbin to the left, but some machines also, the bobbin just might stop turning. So you'll just have to look at it when you are doing it to make sure it's finished. So there you go, I know my bobbin's full now because when I press the pedal it won't go anymore. I'm just going to trim my thread now. Make sure you take your foot off the pedal, and I'm going to push it to the left and take it off, and there we go, we've got a full bobbin.